this quick video I'm gonna teach you how to make a shine effect in After Effects, making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 12 of 365. Drag your logo to your timeline and let's add the effect CC Light Sweep. There you go. And as you can see, here we have our shine. We can modify the position of our shine with this point. If you don't see this point, it's because you are not selecting the effect. So make sure to select the effect to see this point. And first, let's animate this point. Move this to a corner, like here, and make a keyframe here in center. Move forward like 2 seconds. And move the point to the other side, like here. Okay, so here we have our shine, but it's like too thin. We can make it wider here in width. If we increase this, the shine will become wider. And here in sweep intensity, they are really self-explanatory. We increase the intensity of the light. And here for edge intensity, if you can see here, we have this little light at the edge. If we decrease this, we will not have any light there, and if we increase it, we'll have a light there. One thing that we can do, if you don't want this light in the middle, you can decrease the sweep intensity to 0, and you will only have the edge intensity. And you can increase the thickness here of the edge, and you will have only the edge. But this time I'm going to use all the light. You can change the style here where it says shape. You can change it to a more smooth light, a linear light, or a sharp light. I'm going to use a sharp light. And here we can change the color of the shine. We can make it like this, blue, cyan, or purple, whatever we want. So I'm going to use this color, do not use a just white color. So I'm going to use something like this. There you go. And another thing we can do is to only see this light and not see the entire logo. So if we change here in add to cutout, we will only see the light. And if you want to see the logo behind the light, you have to duplicate the layer, and this layer below we can delete the effect and select track matte to the logo above. So select that, and we can show this layer to see the light too, and here we will only see the light. I'm going to leave it like it was before, here in add, and there you go. We can also change the direction of this light. So here in direction, you can give the direction you want, and you can also animate that. So if we come here at the beginning and at the end we make one full rotation, you will see something strange. Oh, that's funny. I will leave it like that. So be careful here in the beginning and in the end. If you see this little light, that's because the point is too close to the logo, so you can move it away a little bit and do the same thing here in the end. You see this light, to avoid that, move this away. So yeah, you can use this with layers, text, image, whatever you want. To give it a better look, you can obviously use these keyframes, and there you have it. So that's all for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.